We're going to cover some proper drilling techniques in this video. This will demonstrate the safe use of this machine. Before drilling, always mark the exact location of the hole center using a center punch. Be sure to line up the center punch mark on the workpiece with the drill bit center accurately before clamping the workpiece. The workpiece needs to be properly secured for the drilling operation. While drilling, release some pressure on the drill bit or slightly retract it often to allow the chips to break off and clear. When drilling a larger diameter hole, in order to eliminate strain on the machine, tool, and operator, a pilot hole should be drilled first, followed with a progressively larger diameter drill. When countersinking a drilled hole, ensure the proper alignment of the hole with the tool to avoid eccentric or out-of-round holes. Remember that countersinking operations are meant for chamfering purposes of drilled holes' sharp edges.